Oh my god. Good morning, you little douche nozzles. Hope everything's going well for you. Typewriter series number 429. Wouldn't you know it? Here's your wee paper. Boy. I hope everyone's doing well. It's a Sunday. I have a new Signal Fire up. You should go listen to it. It's about not comparing your heart and soul and personality to that of anyone else, because you're perfect how you are. And if anyone tells you otherwise, turn away from that person and tell them to piss off. Here's your poem. I think that maybe my heart uses your heartbeat as a metronome to stay on track. Yours balances mine, slows it, teaches it to beat strong and steady and with purpose and rhythm. When faced with the unfortunate but often unavoidable situation where it cannot hear yours, it forgets. Simply forgets all it was taught, like a piano student whose teacher skipped the recital. It aches for your sound to match. It stings for the audience of your lungs to hear it beat, hear it sing, hear it play. Whoa. Yeah, have a cool Sunday. Do something awesome. Go listen to my Signal Fire because I read it to you so you can be totally lazy, which is awesome. I love you a lot. See you tomorrow.